Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start in accessibility settings to disable the narrator safely. First, press Windows key plus Control plus Enter to see if that instantly stops speech. If it does, you're done. If not, open Settings, choose Ease of Access, then Narrator. Make sure you're signed into an account with permission to change system settings. Otherwise, close Settings and sign in as an admin. Once you're in the Narrator panel, keep it open so you can follow the next steps. Now turn Narrator off and remove Automatic Startup. In the Narrator panel, flip the main narrator toggle to off and wait a beat. Windows needs a moment to stop speech. Next, uncheck any boxes that say Start Narrator automatically or allow this app to run at sign-in, and disable the keyboard shortcut if you keep accidentally enabling it. Once done, restart the app you were using or sign out and back in to ensure the setting applies across the session. Finish by confirming Narrator is truly stopped. Open Task Manager, find Narrator, EXE, and end the process if audio continues. This forces an immediate stop. Make sure other accessibility tools like speech recognition or third-party screen readers aren't running, because they can produce similar audio. If you still hear voice, reboot the laptop and install pending Windows updates or driver updates for audio and accessibility. If issues persist, report exact behavior to support so they can target the remaining cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.